Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft hides many things in Windows that it doesn't share, and it doesn't have anything in any menu where you can change it because they want to prevent, people from sometimes tweaking certain aspects of Windows. Even though it could be positive, sometimes it makes it worse. And of course, it overrides a lot of the Windows safeguards where you have a specific performance or a specific setting that will change that if you go manually, then finally that overrides the basic settings. I will share with you guys a article from Neowin, which is interesting. If you like to tweak your systems, tweak Windows, try to get performance boost out of your system, they have an interesting article that says Microsoft hides the secret Windows 11 performance boost settings that are available on every PC. Now, on some of my machines, I've in the past changed some of those registry keys to get some of the performance settings that were hidden from the computer, especially on my gaming laptop. So this article will give you the information about the performance and the processor states that are available, and will actually show you how to enable some of these settings that will let you actually change those processor states. So you have from disabled, enabled, aggressive, efficient, enabled, efficient, aggressive. So there's all sorts of things. So they're going to show you what key you need to either change or modify values. And this will give you, in essence, some new settings that weren't available before on your PC. Like here, for example, processor performance boost mode, and so on. You have these and the power management that are available, and normally not there on the PCs. You'll have to enable those settings from the registry keys that you'll change. So I will share the link to this article if you want to tweak and play around with it. Be careful what you do, and of course, always remember what state and what setting you changed and what was its default, so you can always go back and put it back the way it was if you change something. And maybe you'll get some new performance boost out of your computer thanks to these changes. So the link to the article to Neowin is in the description below. And have fun.